Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux IQ-Touch dryer and on the display it's giving you an E51 error and you're trying to figure out what this error is and what you need to do to get rid of it. So first of all, what it is that the motor relay between the control board and the motor is not working properly, or at least the control board thinks it's not working properly. So there's kind of two things that you want to do here. One is to just check the wiring that goes to the motor and make sure that there's nothing that is damaged, that is misplaced, that is disconnected, that's wires crossed, frayed, anything like that. Even loose wiring can cause this error. And if everything looks like it's working properly, is connected properly, the next thing you're gonna probably need to do is actually replace the control board. Now, if it comes to that, you need to replace the control board. That's kind of a separate task, and I'll put a link in the description to where you can, to a little tutorial on how to replace the control board.